Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel.
So this is my sister. I said that she will be at the barbecue. This is her. She sucks, huh? She's stupid. Okay, bye. This is Boog. Say hi. Say hi.
Better outfit. Stop!
Yeah, Paige is right there.
You just have a better outfit.
Okay, welcome back everyone. So today I'm gonna film a get ready with me. I have a barbecue that we're going to with my boyfriend, my sister and her boyfriend, my aunt and her fiance. I think a cousin or 3 are coming. I don't really know. There's going to be some babies there, so it's just going to be a good time. And I felt like this would be a good excuse to make a video of get ready with me and kind of just talking. So yeah, welcome back. Wow, welcome back. Okay, so I already washed my face. I'm just going to start by using this Pond's moisturizer. And also there's a mirror right here in front of me, so I'm going to be looking down at that a bit. So I don't really know what to talk about with you guys. I figured I would kind of share with you guys some of my goals for this year. I mean, I know it's about to be June, so half the year is gone, but I feel like I've been sticking with my goals a lot. Well, my first goal was to finally lose that 30 pounds I've been talking about. I know a lot of you guys can relate to that. At some point I was like really tiny. I'm only 5 feet and 5'1" on a good day. And at some point I was really small, like well, in high school I was like 120, 125. And then I went to college. And of course, I went through the freshman like 40 because I went to school like 8 or 9 hours away from home. And that was my first time like being away from home. And I cried so much. And I just ate and ate and ate. And I sat in my room and I didn't do anything. So, of course I gained weight. But then I met my best friend. Well, she really like forced me to be her friend, and from there I think I just started going out a lot more. And obviously the more activity you add in, if you were like not working out at all, you start losing weight. And then she's like always like, I need to look like Summer, so we did a lot of going to the gym. When I say we, I meant her. Like, she tried to get me to go, and I just never would go. But I went sometimes. And then our campus, of course, it wasn't big, but it was big enough that you have to walk a lot. And so I started slimming down. But anyway, as most of you guys know, also with being in a relationship, I was in a relationship then. And when I graduated, I got with my boyfriend that I'm with now. And then we kind of moved in with each other after like a year and a half, I think. I know it's kind of quick, but you know, we moved in together and he kind of gained that like happy relationship weight. And so then I got to, I want to say like 150 or something. And it was okay, but this past like October, he graduated from school and we were taking pictures, and when I was looking back at the pictures I was like, wow, I don't know when I became like a Oompa Loompa freaking blueberry or something, but I didn't like it. And I realized I started like hiding from pictures, and like when people would take, even when he would take Snapchats, like I would make him take them over and over and over again because I was like, no, I look fat. No, that's not my angle. No, let me just take it. Okay, fine. I don't want to even be in it. Just take me out. And it was like really affecting me. And at work, I have to dress like professionally, and I hated wearing like a pencil skirt, like anything. I didn't feel comfortable. So I decided on January 17th or 16th, I stepped on the scale and I was like 170, and I was like, wow, that's a lot for a little short person. So I told myself I would just get it together, and today 145, so that's nice. I want to lose another like 5 to 10 pounds, but I'm in a much better place. I feel much better. I feel comfortable like wearing like a little tiny tank top and like everything. So yeah, with my weight loss goals, I've been doing pretty well. Saving money, that's been a goal for like my entire life, but I'm a shopper. And not even like I like to go to like the mall. Like I like to go to Dollar Tree and Target and Walmart and just buy random things. Like I come home and I'm like, wow babe, look at what I found, and it will be like this reusable bag. And he's like, you don't need that. And I'm like, yes I do. What if we go to the grocery store and we need a bag? And he's like, they have bags. And it's like, well, that's, oh well, fine. I also love to buy makeup stuff. Like I will have 7 different kinds of the same lipstick because I watched a YouTube video and they had a different one, and so I need to go get it and try it out. And 9 times out of 10 I don't even like it, so I'll be like, what is the real point? I'm sorry guys, my dog Toby is playing with his chew toy and I just realized. Toby, come here. Leave the ball alone, okay? Thank you. Anyway, so saving money is my other goal, and then I think Toby, so finished my eyebrows off camera, and I forgot to say I'm not gonna like show you guys everything that I'm using because this is not a makeup tutorial, because I am not a professional and I do stuff wrong and I don't care because it makes my face look the way I want it to, and I don't want people to follow me and be like, that was wrong. So it's not a makeup tutorial, just talking. My boyfriend came back in the house, so now I'm gonna be a creep and like stare at him while he walks around. Turn that off.
Am I supposed to see while cooking?
I don't know, but that makes the light weird. Anyway, yeah, I need to save money, but it's probably never gonna happen. And I don't know how I feel about that. I mean, I'll probably be able to save eventually. Not sure. Right now, I have to use my boyfriend and give him my money to save it for me, because he won't give it back, even though I cry and complain. I don't know why I even try to color correct, because you can still see my freaking pimple scars through my makeup, but whatever. Just gonna do what I do. What else should I talk about, Deetro?
It's your video.
Are you gonna? Okay. So I'm just gonna speed through some of this because it takes a little while and I don't want to make long videos. And also, he's supposed to be cooking or whatever and he's being loud, and so I'm just gonna speed through it and not talk for a minute. I'm using eyeshadow to set this contour. I did it on accident one time and I liked it, so I keep doing it. Anyway, normally I don't bake my face, but I don't know what happened today. I think I'm just trying to be fake, so I did it, but it didn't turn out that bad. Also, it's pretty hot today, so now I'm gonna be sweating, so I need to do something to keep it on and not look like a mess. I don't really have anything else to talk about. I thought I did have like this whole list of things to talk about, but I don't. Maybe as time goes on and I actually get more subscribers and they tell me what to talk about, and that will work for me. But for now, it's all about getting videos up so I can get more subscribers. Also, I haven't figured out what kind of lip color I like on a regular basis, because this is like my everyday look for work. So normally I just go like this with nothing and put lip gloss. So I'm all done, and now I have to get ready because we're about to leave in a little bit. And I guess I will put everything that I used in the description, blah blah blah. Also, I'll probably include some video of the barbecue so you can see everyone. Okay, yeah. Also, one of my friends said she was upset that I didn't show my dog, so here's Toby.